Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first take the hairs, tie it and then fold it upward and fix the hair clip. Now roll it down and fix this bun clip to make the bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next tie the ponytail, pull it back little bit and fold it upward like this and fix this bun pin in the rubber bands. After that tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs or just fix this hair clip on the hairs by taking the hairs from the sides. Now take 3 sections of the hairs in these small sections and fix them inside each section of the clip like this. Tie them and it's ready. Next, we will be tying the hairs like this from the sides and then fix this hair clutch over it. Now tie all the hairs together and then fold it from the between. Fold it upward and fix the hair clutch again over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs by dividing them into 2 parts. First, divide the hairs and then make the plaits on each section of the hairs. Now, fold them upward and fix them on the alternative sides. Now, put this hair clutch on each side like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides and then put the hair clip by folding it upward. Now take 3 sections of the hairs from the downside and fix them on the alternative sides in each section of the clips. Now fold the hairs together upward and tie them and then fold it down like this and put the bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs like this. Tie the ponytail, roll the hairs and then fold it upward like this and fix it by folding it. Now put the hair bun pin like this over it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then we will make a bun. So first, rotate the hairs after that. Now fix it by rolling it down, tie it like this using the rubber band and fold it and fix this hair clutch over it. And your hair bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs by dividing them into 2 parts. Roll them together and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair bun pin. So put it and then put the clutch over it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. After that, we will rotate the hairs like this. After rotating the hairs, fix it from the top. Now divide it from the between and then fold it upward and fix it like this using the bun clips and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, make the plaits in the half section and fix it like this on the top. Divide it from the between and then fix it over the bun like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it like this and fix it using this bun clip and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs, roll it down and then fold the hairs. After folding it, we will fix it by dividing the hairs from the between. Now make the plaits on the both sections of the hairs, fold them and fix them on the upper side like this using the hair clutches and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clips on the hairs, roll it like this and fix it on the hairs as shown in the video. Make a bun and it's ready. Next, fix this hair clip on the hairs like this. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, roll them and fix them on each section of the clips. Now tie the hairs on the top and then fold it down using the rubber bands and fix it using the bun pin and your hair bun is ready. Thanks for watching our video.